साक्षी, then लॉरेंस एंड मोनी, सारी गुड लुकिंग लड़की आपको ही मिली।
हाँ, मैंने कुछ तो पिछले जन्म में कुछ अच्छे गुण कमाए होंगे जाके मुझे हर साल खूबसूरत से खूबसूरत लड़की मिलती है। एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ये सब शिवानी, लॉरेन एंड मोनी आर ब्यूटीफुल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड फ्रॉम इनसाइड। एंड मोनी हु स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी एंड इज माई प्रेजेंट राइट नाउ इज एन अमेजिंग पर्सन। बहुत ही अच्छी इंसान है और हमें मज़ा आता है जब काम मज़ा होने लगता है ना, तो उसका फ्लेवर अलग ही रहता है।
Moni, you have been part of various reality shows before too. So what made you take up something like Jhalak?
Well, to be precise, it was on my bucket list. I've been wanting to do Jhalak for the longest time. So when I got a call for this show, they had me in jail. So I'm really excited for the show, and then my next step was getting my choreographer. So now I am triple the amount. I was triple the amount excited when I saw him, and then he really calmed me down and said, you know, Moni, this is just the first step, and you can really go long way. But the most important thing is that I have him, and I have complete faith and trust in him, and hopefully we're going to do something.
Moni, you are a trained Kathak dancer. So do you think it's
No, I'm not. Yeah, for a very short time. I don't want to kind of mention that.
So do you think it's an advantage for you?
I don't think I have any advantage over anybody here. First of all, because I think that I am okay with Indian stuff, right? So when I came here and when I went to the rehearsal the first day, the kind of stuff that he was showing me, I was like, okay. And you know, I think for your muscle memory and to make a routine your own, a lot of practice is required. First, there was less time. Second of all, continue. So I am finding it very difficult, basically.
ऑनेस्टली कहूँ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑफ बीट है, ऑब्वियसली देयर सेंस ऑफ रिदम एंड देयर सेंस ऑफ बीट, तो वो दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है मुझे। बट देयर इज टू मच ऑफ इंडियन इन हर, जो निकाल के दूसरे डांस फॉर्म की हर हफ्ते कुछ नया करना है, उसके लिए वापस जीरो से स्टार्ट करके वापस 10 में जाना है। सो एवरी वीक इट्स अ न्यू लाइफ दैट यू लिव। सो वही चैलेंज है एंड उसमें मजा है।
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much rate you as a dancer?
As a dancer?
Yeah, as of now.
I would say 5. That would be in between because that shows that she's not that bad. At the same time, a lot of scope to it.
Okay. Who according to you is the most strongest contestant in Jhalak?
According to us, the strongest, I think, इस सीजन में पहली बार, मैंने कुछ 4 सीजन किए हुए हैं, पहली बार जो टैलेंट है वो एक्चुअली एवरेज या एवरेज प्लस है, ओनली एज फार एज डांसिंग इज कंसर्न। सो लेवल है ना बहुत 19-20 है। सो ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक एवरीवन इज वेरी गुड एंड द कॉम्पिटिशन इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। उस दिन कौन कैसे परफॉर्म कर ले उसके ऊपर है।
Okay. And
Hello, I would like to request to both our fans to love us and support us. I think I have never needed your love and support so much more than ever. This time around we need it more than ever. So please vote for us. Thank you.
thank you so much.